Hello everyone, this is Umar from Sun Logics, India's first rooftop dual axis tracker manufacturer. Now, in terms of solar panels, you would have seen conventional solar panels which are mounted flat in rooftops, but this is not a flat mount, this is a tracking system, or it tracks the sun very efficiently. Now, what is a dual axis tracker is, let's say if the sun is morning 7:30 a.m. the sun is right here, it points at the sun. So whole day long from morning to evening, what it does is it tracks the sun very efficiently. So what happens is that you get a 40 to 60% yield increase in yield. Let's say for example, this is our DX5 series which is around 5 kilowatt. It is equivalent to 8 kilowatt. Now with that being said, if you ask me if the price, what is going to be the price of the system, let me tell you, it is very cheaper than a fixed mount system. Now you can see it is, we have put this system on a rooftop on a third floor, which is having lots of issues in terms of winds, in terms of other factors, but still it is making efficient, it is making good yield, and our yield has jumped around 50 to 60%. Now there are lots of things in terms of reliability, and that is an obvious question if you ask what is going to happen in terms of weather, what is going to happen in terms of heavy storm like that. We have made sure that this system is future rich. First thing, it is very cheap. It is significantly cheaper than a fixed mount system, and the second thing, it is giving you more yield, which is around 40 to 60%. Now we have put a monoperk panel in this system. If we put a bifacial panel, TOPCon bifacial panel, it will produce more than maybe 50 to 60%. Since it is a monoperk panel, we are having a increase in yield of around 40 to 45%. Now this can be put in, this can be used for commercial, this can be used for EV charging stations, this can be used for rooftop, this can be used for factories, or no matter what the scenario is, we can use the system. So this system effectively tracks the sun's path the whole day, and that is the reason why we are getting good yield, or let's say we are getting more than 45 to 60% extra yield, which is cheaper than a fixed mount system. Let me tell you again, this is very cheap, not very cheap, around 20 to 25% cheaper than a fixed mount system, which is inefficient. This is very efficient, and your ROI, let's say you are spending around 3.5 lakhs or 4 lakhs for a 5 kilowatt system. Fixed mount will take you around 4 years or 4.5 years for your return. But this system gives a return on your investment in just 2.5 years. So that is the significance of the system. We have we have a sensor, we have a wind sensor, we have a light sensor. So what this sensor does is the way we design the firmware is that if there is any storm, or if there is any unforeseen wind condition, or any natural calamities, the system itself goes in storm mode. Storm mode in the sense, if there is lots of wind, what happens is the system, instead of tracking the sun, it goes flat. So what happens is wind goes on the top and on the bottom, so making it very safe. Now in terms of night, what happens is after the tracking is finished, the system goes into tracking storm mode or sleep mode, which in turn makes the system flat. And in terms of data analytics, I will tell you, we have also integrated SCADA in this one, which means you can control the system, monitor the system from any part of the world if you have access to internet. So that is the kind of feasibility, that is the kind of thing we have put in the firmware logics, controller logics. I'll show you all the controller logics. I will show you everything, every part of the system, how the system works, how it tracks the sun. We'll also put a time lapse if possible. So this is very efficient. Let me tell you again, it is cost effective. It is 20 to 25% cheaper than a fixed mount system. And in terms of maintenance, of course I'm not going to tell there is no maintenance like a fixed mount system. There are maintenance, but as a company, as a firm, we have make sure we have a good maintenance scheme with us, so that you don't have to worry what is going to happen to the system or what is going to happen to the solar plant which you have or which you are going to be installing in your rooftop system, right? So let me show you one thing which is very, very important. Now what you see here is a drive of the system. Now this drive is around maybe around 100 less than 100 kgs, around 80 or 85 kgs, and this has the capacity, or this has the ability to hold a weight of up to 32 tons. Now why we need such a heavy drive is because we have to consider wind factors. Now I'm shooting this video on July, and as you can see, there are lots of wind, and especially when you are putting a solar system on a third floor, you tend to have lots of wind. Even though we have safety features like storm mode, if the wind, I will show you the sensor also, if you have a very high wind, this system goes into storm mode, as I told you earlier. So this system has a capacity to hold 32 tons, which means, considering all the wind factors, considering all the things like natural calamities, we have put a very robust system which is very, very efficient and can hold huge winds. Now the other part is, if you see this actuator is around has a capacity of around 1.5 tons, which means if you put it in a pulley, and if you put around 1500 kgs, this actuator can pull the system, or can pull the weight or push the weight. So that much heavy capacity we have put. Now if you ask me if it is weatherproof, if what happens if a heavy rain is coming, whether this electronics will damage or not, let me tell you, all the whatever systems we have put here are IP67 rating, which means if there is heavy rain, or if there is a heavy rain, there is not going to be any problem. Plus we are giving 5 years of replacement warranty for our system, so that in case of any damage, we will have your system replaced, or we will have your components replaced. So that is the main part of this. Now you have to understand, if you are giving around 40 to 60% extra yield, we will have to do all these things. There is nothing like we cannot achieve more 60% or 65%, or let's say 40 to 60% without doing all this. Now this is a 5 kilowatt system, as I told you, but this is the performance is equal to a 8 kilowatt system. So that much is the amount of energy it is producing. In layman terms, let me tell you, it is giving around, on an average, 25 to 30 kilowatt hour, or let's say 30 units, 25 to 30 units per day. So that much calibration we have done, that much sensitivity we have put in our system, so that it is most efficient, most effective, and you get a more yield. And let me tell you again, this is don't think this is very expensive. This is even maybe 20 to 25% cheaper than a fixed mount system. Now let me tell you in layman terms, how much would it cost for a 8 kilowatt system, right? 8 kilowatt system in India will cost you around 400 plus K. Let's say 400 including GST, 400 plus K. This 5 kilowatt system will just cost you 3.75 or 3.8 lakhs, 8 lakhs, right? So you are saving on your system, plus this is efficient and it is giving you faster ROI. That is the objective of doing this system or doing this panelization. Now we have lots of thing, not only dual axis trackers, we have also single axis trackers. Single axis trackers are more efficient than a fixed mount system. This is efficient and this is more efficient. Single axis trackers can give you around 25% to 30% extra yield with a less, significantly maybe 30 to 35% cheaper than a fixed mount system. So fixed mount systems are not efficient or not effective is what I'm going to say, or what I'm trying to say. So this is how we have built the whole system. You can see all the panels, everything is there, and I'll also show you the light sensor and wind sensor, which will make sure that the system is very steady and make sure the system is very safe. Now in terms of controller, you can see this is the controller of the system, this is the brain of the system. So this tells what the system has to do, what is the logic, what is the firmware. From this you can there is a Modbus protocol which is being connected to a cloud database from which you can control or monitor the whole system. Like let's say for example, you are sitting in Middle East, or let's say you are sitting in US, you want to see what is happening in your house in India. We have integrated a SCADA system which effectively tells you what is happening in terms of your solar system. Let's say you want to switch off your solar system, you want to move the solar system from east to west or north, you want to tilt it to north south, it does it from here, right? So you can do it sitting from Middle East or sitting from US. You can control the whole system from our SCADA integration. That's why we have done a effective SCADA integration, so that you can monitor the system in terms of wherever you are in the which part of the world you are, right?